happens if you've got an emergency. This is what you say. Pan, pan, pan. Now when you press the radio and say those words, pan, 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 it means you've got an urgent emergency, but it's not critical, but it could turn bad, and if it does, then something else. What you say is mayday, mayday, mayday. But that, as soon as you say that, then everybody comes from everywhere running to help. If you say pan, 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 that's the original part of it. That means there's problems, but you're going to try and sort them out. So, let's practice. Press the button. Pan, pan, pan. Golf Delta Alpha Tango Romeo. We've got a problem. We're just outside Blackpool. We'll give them the area. We're just east of the M6, and we're going to put it in a field, and we're going to check the problem out. So then, Sarah, if you point down there, we look for a field, and I tell you what, that one over there looks good. Then a patch in there. So if we sort of look over there, we turn the aircraft back to me, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to lower the collective lever. I'm going to pull back on the cycling, and we're going to get to the point where we get back to about 60 knots. And as I come down, I'm going to be looking for wires going across the field. I'm going to be looking for any animals in the field. I'm going to be looking for people. I don't want to land in a big puddle. I want to try and land in a dry field. We're going to definitely make it now. We're going to head into wind. We're going to definitely make it into this field here. So as we come down, I can tell we're going to make it. I start to pull back on the collective lever. We're doing 50 miles an hour, and we're going to safely land in that field. Then we can check what's wrong, start it back up if necessary, and come back out. But make sure no wires. And if you're not sure about wires, look for the big poles. Can you point to the pillar over there, Sarah, where the big wire pillars are there? Yes. So if you point to those, if you can't see the wires, you'll be able to look and see the stanchions that are holding the wires. So you don't necessarily need to see the wire, but you can see what's holding them together. I'm pulling back out, everything's fine. That's what you do in an emergency, but not in the worst emergency. The worst emergencies then is mayday, 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 and then lots of other things. And I'll come back to part 2 on that one. See you soon, everybody. Ta-ra!